Welcome back to Resource Rundown. So I'm going to run down some more places where you can sell some items. And these are some apps that you can simply, have on your phone. And then you're able to just quickly take your pictures that are already on your phone and then upload them to these websites. Craigslist, I mentioned that before, as well as eBay. But these two, if you download them to your phone, what I like about eBay is that in the top part of eBay, in this little search section off to the right there, they have this section where you could just simply press this button and then you're able to take a quick look using your camera whether or not that item is on eBay and what it's currently selling for. So you could literally go around the store and just snap a picture of something, and then eBay will right away show you if that particular item is on eBay, and you'll know the name of it. You'll know if other sellers are selling it, all of that good stuff. But that's just a little side note there. But these apps, though, having them ready on your phone so that you can upload information to them is so useful. So you've got Craigslist, eBay. Then there's Buko or Bukio. Now, I've used them anytime you're near a military base. That one, I was able to sell all my stuff. And I mean, I had a house full of stuff. I was able to sell a lot of stuff. But then once I moved away from the nearby military base, no. Matter of fact, I didn't even have access to Buko to sell anything nearby because everybody was further away. But it's Booko. Another one is eBid, and once again, old platform at the time of this recording. Hopefully they'll update it. And they do have a cost, but you have lifelong access. OfferUp. So many people have talked about OfferUp, so I decided to use it, and it turned out that there were a couple of items that did sell for my sons. They actually used it. Poshmark, I heard some ladies were using that one, and they did pretty well as far as putting up their clothing. Mercari. One of the individuals that I worked with, she used that to sell designer merchandise, including jewelry and clothing. And then Facebook Marketplace, I mentioned that in another audio, and that particular son who used Facebook Marketplace sold all of his goods, and he didn't have to worry about returns or shipping any items or anything. The people, he met them in the parking lot. They went on and exchanged the products, and that was the end of that. Okay, so, and then they, as far as money goes, he used his Cash App to do that. Okay, making sure that he double checked and rechecked that they had the right Cash App, because Cash App's not going to give you your money back if you send it to the wrong one, at least at the time of this recording. Things change. That's what I always say at the time of this recording. Okay, so those were the apps. Now, I've told people in other audio, please do take some time out. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring up your phone and you'll go to the App Store, or you'll go to your Google store, and you'll put in apps to sell items and then see what comes up. Okay. Then, of course, you will check reviews. So you'll take the name of that app. You'll go to a Google search engine or your favorite search engine, or you'll ask Bing Chat, but you'll put in that particular name of the company, of the app, and then you'll put something in like scams, fraud reviews, because what you're trying to do is find out if people have reported some negative things about that, okay? And sometimes they do. So there you have it. I hope that this will motivate some individuals to get started making that extra money sooner rather than later. Have a great one. Please do come back, like, subscribe, share, comment. We have more Resource Rundown coming up.